Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today is the key on my treadmill. I must have lost it in the move. We've been moved into this new house for a year now. And what I'm gonna attempt to do is take this top piece off here and find the safety wires and basically put them into each other. All right, so we got this off now. And, okay, so here is, I don't know if you can see this. These two wires right here are what's going into your safety. So what I'm going to do basically is cut those two wires and then just put them into each other and then just tape it back up. So let's just see if it'll, there she goes. So yeah, it is running. Cool. There we go. Non-safe, but you know, it's not always about safety. So yeah, just take those two wires off, put them together, duct tape them suckers up, or electrical tape, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. I'm going to put this cover back on, put the screws back in it. My wife has the screws, she just left, so I don't know what that's all about. I just heard the ring pin, so I might be heading back out.